Long ago, in a small village, there was a young man who was walking through the countryside. He was very thirsty and hungry. While walking, he saw a beautiful apple orchard. He looked around and saw that one apple had fallen outside the fence. He thought, "I'm so hungry, and this apple is just lying here on the ground. Maybe no one will mind if I eat it." So, he picked up the apple and ate it. But as soon as he finished, he felt guilty in his heart. He thought, "What if this apple belongs to someone? I didn't ask for permission. That means I may have eaten someone else's property without their permission. That's not right in Islam." He wanted to ask for forgiveness. The young man decided he must find the owner of the apple orchard and ask for forgiveness. He walked for miles asking people, "Who owns that orchard near the river?" Finally, someone told him where the orchard owner's house. The young man went to the orchard owner's house and said, "Sir, I ate one of your apples by mistake. It had fallen outside the fence. I'm really sorry. Please forgive me." The owner looked at him and said, "I will forgive you, but only on one condition." The young man replied, "Anything. I'll do whatever it takes." The owner said, "You must marry my daughter." The young man was shocked but agreed. Then the owner added, "But I must tell you, my daughter is blind, deaf, dumb and lame." The young man was even more shocked. He thought for a moment. Then he said to himself, "I made a mistake and ate a fruit that was not mine. I want Allah to forgive me. If I have to marry someone like this to get that forgiveness, then I will do it." And so, he agreed to the marriage. The wedding happened. When the young man went to meet his bride, he was surprised. She was not blind, deaf, dumb, or lame. In fact, she was beautiful, kind, intelligent, and very religious. He went back to the father and said, "You told me she couldn't see, hear, speak, or walk. But she's perfect." The father smiled and said, "I said that because she never used her eyes to look at anything wrong, so she's like blind. She never listened to bad things, so she's like deaf. She never said anything bad or hurtful, so she's like dumb. She never walked toward anything sinful, so she's like lame. She is pure, and I wanted a husband for her who would also be pure, honest, and God-fearing. When I saw your honesty and your fear of Allah over just one apple, I knew you were the right man."